At the end of the day, you need to close the inline ball valve so the injector can be unplugged. And then you can go back to the Alum pump, turn it off, close the outlet ball valve. We will open the discharge to relieve any line pressure back to tank. It is okay if the alum pump is being used on a daily basis to leave the alum in the system. If the unit is going to be shut down for storage, then the material will have to be consumed or drained, and we'll have to run fresh water through the alum pump to wash out all of the salt solution from the material. Storing it with the material in will cause the ball valves, check valves, and everything to lodge, and there will not be any operation from the pump. So we can remove the material line. We will introduce clean, fresh water to our drained tank. Start the pump, bypass the water back in, and we can open this valve, the outlet valve, to flush the system out.